joined Snapx year 2019, and I was the country head for Snapx in Vietnam, and I got promoted to be the CMO this year. Yeah, so Snapx actually, I'll go straight with what is Snapx. So Snapx was founded in year 2018. So it was our 4th year. And, we are very happy that we have gained quite a lot of trust and support from partners. And for example, you guys, so it's really our pleasure to be here today. It's my pleasure to be here today. And yeah, so Snapx is we call CFD trading platform. So what is CFD? It means contract for differences. So while you're doing tradings, right? So when you do tradings, for example, on the traditional exchange, for example, like on Binance, you will involve of exchange of assets. But on Snapx, you are only trading on the price differences, which is if you think that the price will go up, then you long the order. If you think the price will go down, you can short the orders. Right? So there is no involvement of asset of exchange. It's only price, difference of prices. That's why it's called CFD. This is a contract trading. Okay, so on Snapx, what we will be doing is not only for trading of crypto contract, but in the future we will be also adding more trading utilities like stocks, commodities, index, options. So these are all the things that in our roadmap, in our pipeline. And aside from trading, we also want to, so our intention of Snapx ecosystem is very, very simple. So we want to combine, we want to merge the CX model, the traditional finance, and the DeFi, right, decentralized finance. So what we'll be doing on Snapx also is we'll be adding more functions, like we'll be having NFT, we'll be doing Launchpad, we'll be doing swap, and we'll be doing also social trading. Right? So what is social trading? Social trading is something, it's a copy trade where you can follow the trade orders of all the good traders. So that means you don't really need to have the trading knowledge, but you can also make profits or make some, money on tradings by following the script of the trading strategies of all the professional traders. Yeah, so in short, this is Snapx. So why do we name the brand as Snapx? Because we think that trading is something very, very simple, So snap and it's just a click. Yeah, that's why we call it Snapx.
I see. So I forgot to tell the people that SkyX VC from Indonesia also participate in the private sale for the Snapx token. That's why we supporting your project, because we know your project is a safe investment for us. Yeah. Because you already have the running product and you already making profit from your product, and you gonna improve your product with the stock like eToro, Robinhood, like that.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, right. That's why it's interesting for us, for SkyX, to see it will breach and make the barrier of entry to common or regular Joe like us to trade the US stock without any difficult KYC and opening account. It's very annoying for us. So I see Snapex has potential for Indonesian market also.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah. We actually, I think some people might have heard of us before that also. So we were also in Indonesia, but of course, to be honest, we were more popular in the other country than Indonesia. But I think with the help of SkyX, definitely, we can together and make Snapex and SkyX together, a big brand in the Indonesian market.
Yes, excellent. Yeah. So can you please tell me what is the utility of the Snap token?
Okay, yeah, sure. So Snap token is one very important key element for Snapx to actually go globally. Right? So like just now I mentioned, Snapx has been in the market since 2018, but we were always focusing on the Southeast Asian countries, especially in Vietnam, and then Indonesia, India, and Malaysia. So what we want is we want to go globally. So Snap tokens will actually help us to bridge a lot of elements that I mentioned just now in the centralized finance and decentralized finance. the traditional finance, in non-conventional finance. So what can Snap tokens be used? First, it can be used to pay or to reduce the trading fees on Snapex. It's just like any other platform tokens, like BNB, And the second thing is it can be used, like just now I mentioned that we will be doing copy trades. So, there will be like copy trading fees, script fees. So all these fees, we can actually use Snap tokens to actually pay for that. And this is for trading part, right? So then we will also be doing NFT drop. We are expected to do the NFT on next month. So, you can also use Snap tokens to buy NFT on Snapx. And what else can the tokens be used is it can be also used to participate in Launchpad. Like, we have already made a Launchpad actually. So the first project, of course, is the Snap tokens. And, in the future, you can also participate in the Launchpad of Snapx. So, of course, holding of Snap tokens is, right, I mean, for any Launchpad, right, holding of the tokens is a must. So you can also join the pad. And then there's another use is that you can also use Snap tokens in our partners projects. I'll give you an example. So we have partnership with a project called Metasphere. So they are an hybrid option in the DeFi mode. Yeah. So Snap tokens will be added by Metasphere team as one of the base tokens on their project. So, in short, there will be a lot of things. Of course, there will be a lot of things coming up. So what I'm telling now is all the things that we have confirmed. And these are all the things that are already in the pipeline. Yeah, so these are the utilities of Snap tokens currently. Of course, in the future, if you think that there's something that we can do more, for sure we will develop that, and we will try to increase the use case for Snap tokens.
Excellent. And also currently you are still in the public round, right? For the Snap token, yeah?
Yeah.
In the application, you can download it at the Play Store or iOS?
Yeah. Yes.
Amazing. Yes. So you guys, if you want to participate in the public sale, you can download the Snapx and participate there. Is it a guarantee allocation for that? For one ticket?
So for the public sales, it's not a guarantee. So it's more like a ticket, lucky draw.
Okay.
So it's 300 USDT per ticket.
Yes.
And if your ticket is selected, then you will get the ticket on the TGE, which is on 17. If your ticket is not selected, don't worry, you will get the full refund. We will not take you any money if your ticket is not selected. So it's more like, it's of course it's lucky draw, but we try to give allocation as much as we can to every participants.
Okay. And also Julian, your voice a little bit
oh, sorry.
Yeah, this is
clear.
Better. Yeah.
Okay.
Great. Okay. And if we talk about the CFD, our concern is about the security of the fund. So what do you have planned for that?
All right. So the funds, when the users deposit the funds in Snapx, first, of course, the funds will go into the hot wallet, and then we will transfer it to the cold wallet. So we're actually using a dual wallet system. So what is the advantage of cold wallet is not attached to the central system. That means, it's not possible to be hacked because the money doesn't stay with the internet, doesn't stay with the system. It's an offline wallet. Yeah. So that's why sometimes when people deposit the money, they might see some possible delay in a few minutes because the money is being transferred from the hot wallet to the cold wallet.
I see. And also for the securities, for the stock security, is it backed by real security or?
Okay. So because we are contract trading, we are trading on the price differences.
Yes.
Yeah. So basically the contract trading, the tradings happening on the CFD platform, it doesn't go to the actual market. It doesn't go to the sports market because there's no involvement of exchange of assets.
I see. So you have partners that have custodian of that real asset, right?
So for example, for stocks trading, we have partnered with a licensed stockbroker It's called granting securities, which will allow us to list the US stocks, the European stocks, etc. So, and for the funds, I mean, for the tokens, everything we will be stored in the custodian called Hex Trust. So all these companies, they are legit and reputable company that anyone can check them online.
I see. And for deposit and the withdrawal process time is about few minutes, yeah, as you say.
Okay, so so basically for deposit, of course, as long as there's no congestion on the network chain, right? Because sometimes we also understand, right? Sometimes something happened on ERC20 or TRC20 or the network chain. Yeah, that's something that we can't control. But as long as it passed on the network chain, then it should arrive at your account pretty fast. But like I say, sometimes it might be a delay of few minutes because we are transferring from the hot wallet to the cold wallet for security purpose.
I see.
And for withdrawal, if withdrawal below 5,000, it will be actually processed automatically by our systems. But once in a while, because again, because we are a centralized platform, once in a while, there might be a need that, the compliance team, that they need to do some manual check. So once in a while, there might be some few withdrawals that got selected, pure luck. Yeah, it got selected, but it will not, as long as everything is clear, it will not take too long time. But it's just that for withdrawals, the big amount withdrawals, that we need to do some manual review, just because we need to do compliance with the anti-money laundering policy.
I see. Yeah, but I already try your platform, and KYC is very fast.
Yeah,
less than 30 minutes. It's very fast.
Because thanks to all the the trust and support from everyone. We actually have a lot of new applicants recently, and we actually assign more people to do in the compliance team.
I see.
Yeah.
And also I saw at the application there is referral bonus tier system.
Yeah.
Can you explain a bit more about that?
Yeah, so everyone who join in Snapx, actually, when you refer your friends or your families or your cousins, anyone, then as long as they open the trade, you will get a share of commissions from their trading fees. Yeah, so no matter what they are trading, crypto or next time stocks, options, everything. So as long as they put in the order, you will get the commissions immediately. It's not that you can only take it by the end of the month. But once they put in the order, you will get money immediately in your account, and you can withdraw anytime.
Wow, amazing. Can you tell a bit more about the tier and the percentage?
Yeah, so we start with 20%, if not mistaken. Yeah, because I might be wrong, but I remember it's 20%. And the highest you go based on the numbers of people you have. So we have 5 levels. Then it will go up until level 5. Then it will be 38% is the highest. But I think we can share something maybe more privately here. So, we do have an affiliate system that the commissions can go up to 50% actually. But it's on selected basis. So, if you're any one of you interested, you can contact SkyX, because you need to go through our partners.
Yeah, if you have a lot of followers, you can.
Yes, correct.
I'm an affiliate of the Snapx.
Yeah.
I see. There's a question here. How much is the minimum Snapx that we need to participate in the guaranteed allocation for Launchpad?
Okay. For this one, right? For now, we don't have the answer yet, to be honest. Yeah, because we haven't complete our round of our own tokens yet. So for this one, we will only announce when there is when we are going to do the next project.
I see.
Yeah.
Do you have plan? The fixed date, roughly date for the Launchpad for the first project after the Snap token?
So to be honest, because we have to complete our own round of sales first.
Yeah.
Because Snapx is a trading platform, so Launchpad is not our only business. It's not our only functions. Right? So we are not we are unlike the traditional launchpad. I mean, or other launchpad who focus on only launching the projects. But launchpad is only one of our, I mean, functions.
Okay.
Yeah. So we will be very, very picky and selective in selecting the project, because we need to protect the communities, and because and another reason is because we are a centralized platform, so we show our face, so we need to make sure that the project come into us, they are quality, they are real, they are legit.
I see.
Yeah.
And the token that we bought at the launchpad will be distributed on Snapx or on our MetaMask wallet?
Okay, so you mean the launchpad of us, or you mean the Snap tokens, or the projects that come on
the other
Snapx
project
launchpad later?
the
Okay,
other
so
project.
it would be on Snapx wallet.
I see.
And then but you can transfer. I mean, you can withdraw the wallet, the tokens anytime.
I see. Great.
Yeah.
And can you tell me how much the fee for the stock and also the fee for the CFD crypto?
Yeah. So for crypto trading, currently our trading fees is 0.05%, and we only charge one time. Okay, so we only charge you when you open the order, and there's no other fees when you close the order, or so exactly how much you are paying right before you enter the order. So we want to make it very, very clear, very transparent. So we don't want something that you have the profitable order, and when you close the order, suddenly you got the losses.
Yeah.
So there's no other hidden charge, but so there's the 0.05% on trading fees, and there's a 0.04% on the holding overnight fees.
Yes.
It's on every 24 hours. So we don't have every 8 hours funding fees like most of the futures market or perpetual swap market.
Yeah, it's great, because if you profit or maybe 10,000%, you get another fee for selling it, right?
Yes, correct.
But in Snapx, you don't have that kind of fee. Excellent.
So what you see is what you pay.
Wow, amazing. Maybe you want to add some more, because nobody want to ask question here. Maybe they already open.
They are shy.
I can translate you guys. Aku bisa translatein guys kalau mau tanya.
Oh, you can write in Malay. I mean, you can write in Indonesia. I can understand. It's just that I don't have confidence to speak.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's very long time that I don't speak the language, to be honest, because I've been in Vietnam for a few years.
I see. Yeah, Vietnam developed a lot in blockchain.
I think Vietnam is one of the in terms of the crypto space. They have incubated a lot of projects. Like, I think a lot of that we actually know, like Exist Infinity, and a lot from Vietnam, even Solana. So I mean, Solana is actually being pushed by the Vietnamese.
I see. Yeah.
They are really, really passionate and enthusiastic about crypto, and because their government is quite supportive also.
How many crypto that you support in Snapx platform currently?
Oh, so currently we for trading pairs we have, I think, nearly more than 30 pairs now. So we are actually adding like nearly 5 to 7 pairs a week to give more choices to our users, our traders, to have more trading pairs to choose from. So we'll be continue adding more trading pairs, and until so that's our plan, that we will keep adding the new trading pairs, and then we will have NFT. After NFT, we will be organizing the trading competitions, and then we will be preparing for the social trading for copy trade, and then we'll be ready to launch stocks trading.
I see. Great. Somebody asked about the feature of the trading bot. Is it available?
So trading bot for now, we haven't switched on for the API yet. But if you have other way to use the trading bot, as long as you don't use it like illegally, we welcome you to use that. Yeah, for API, so what we will do is we will do quant tradings. So it's another type of API. It's more like an in-house API. So we will be allowing you to use bot to trade on Snapx. So it will be launched almost the same time as the copy trade or the social trading.
Okay, I see. So the people can contribute their bot to the Snapx, yeah, and the follower will
So their followers can copy their trades also.
And the
so
follower get cut percentage. They must pay.
So they will share. Yeah, they will share to the people. Yeah, the bot. I mean the traders.
Yeah, is it depend from the creator to set the percentage?
I think what we will do is we will set maybe like a percentage, and then there will be a flexibility of the creator that they can also set. But there will be, of course, we need to control, right? We can't like let it set. So there will be like a minimum, a maximum.
I see. Yeah. So another question: any plan to release Snapx in Singapore?
Oh, we can actually register in Singapore.
The company is in Singapore.
Our server is in Singapore.
I see.
Yeah, so the company is actually we are a global team. So we have people from Ireland. Our CEO is an Irish. I think you saw him before. And our tech, the development team are from Hong Kong, Pakistan, China, and we have people from Malaysia, we have people from Indonesia, we have people from Vietnam, we have people from Nigeria, we have people from India, we have people from Philippines. Yeah.
Nice. Global company, yeah?
Yeah.
This is another question. Is it the NFT that being sold in the Snapx, is there any utility for it, such as staking?
Yeah, so okay. The NFT which will be selling on Snapex is more like, if you know about FTX, it will be more like a centralized model of NFT. And we'll be putting some utility on the NFT. Like, you will be, for example, you might get some monthly gift, like trading new bonus or something like this to your account that you can actually use it to trade. And of course, staking is one of the functions that we are considering to put on.
Okay, great, excellent. No, any other question, guys? Ada pertanyaan lagi nggak?
Malu kan?
Iya, tulis Indonesia aja bisa baca. So what the next plan for the Snapx? Do you aiming a specific country beside the Asia?
So what we are doing now is we want to go more globally. So we actually onboard some partners from Turkey, from Russia, and even from Colombia. So that's why recently these few days I was so busy, because I was busy on the call with different partners, different communities, different KOLs, different capitals from different regions.
Yeah.
So we want to make Snapx a global brand now.
I see. Great. I think no other question. They understand quite well. Yeah.
Cool.
Kalian bisa partisipasi Snapx token IDO, guys. Itu masih murah harganya di aplikasinya. Bisa langsung beli tiketnya $300. Tapi kalau nggak dapat, nanti uangnya dikembalikan. Kalau dapat ya bayar 300 itu. What is the price for public sale?
Yeah, it's zero. So currently it's 0.025 per token.
Ya. 0,025 guys, masih murah. Dan projectnya ini kan sudah jalan, sudah making profit juga. Oh ya, how much is the monthly, if you may?
Okay.
For us.
So to be honest, because it's for a trading platform, the trading volume actually fluctuate a lot based on the market condition.
Yeah, of course.
So it's very hard for me to give you an exact number, but I can tell you is someday it might go more than 100 million a day.
Wow.
But sometimes, it's a very big fluctuation, to be very honest.
I see.
So yeah, so the volume differ a lot.
Yeah,
It will be depending on the market conditions. So when there's a big pump and big down.
I see. Yeah. So if 100 million a day is 3 billion 1 month, yeah.
Of course, that when again, this is when the market is
Mhm.
more fluctuating. But we think, to us, trading volumes for now is still a small volume, to be honest, because we haven't even launched trading, we haven't launched copy trade, we haven't launched stocks, we haven't launched the other financial
Feature.
products.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there will be bring more a lot of volume to your
Yes, correct.
messenger.
Like we see, like social trading, right? So the trader, he put one, for example, he put 100 and he have, let's say, 500 followers. That means immediately we have times 500 of volume. 500 of orders.
Yeah. Oh yeah. There's another question. $300 that we put to buy the ticket. If we get the ticket, it will be deduct automatically.
Also, when you buy the ticket, you have to you need to have a Snapx account, and you
Yes.
need to deposit money to buy the ticket.
Mm-hmm.
So once you bought the ticket, the money is already deducted from your account. So when if your ticket is selected, then you will get the tokens at the TGE. If your ticket is not selected, then your money will be refunded to you.
I see. Great. Do you have plan your token will be listed on the tier 1 exchanger?
Yeah. So first, about listing, first we'll be going on Uniswap and PancakeSwap. And of course, listing on CX is something in the pipeline. I can't disclose which exchange yet, but we are in talk with some exchange. So yeah, we will do the announcement when we can announce.
I see. So there is a plan for that, guys. So wait for it for the announcement. Follow the Snapx announcement, Telegram. Yeah.
I think ICO, IEO, idea, they know that we need to have the planning for like step by step to keep the momentum. Right?
Yeah. I think I got the connection problem here. I cannot see your picture. Yeah. No.
Yeah.
My connection is bad, I think, because it's currently.
Because recently, sometimes in Vietnam, we use the joke. Sometimes the connection is bad because the cable is bitten by the shark in the sea.
Same here, bro.
I think everywhere.
Yeah, I think
the shark is everywhere.
Yeah, Singapore is better, yeah. Malaysia is better.
I'm not sure. Yeah, but now Malaysia internet is sometimes also
also the same.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we don't have any question anymore, and you explained great about your project. We understand.
Cool.
I will post this video at my YouTube channel. Also, if you have friend that haven't saw this meeting, can saw it at my YouTube channel, guys. Okay, thank you again for your time. I know you are very busy, but you still come to our meeting. I hope your success, because your success is my success also.
Yes, and all our success. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
We need everyone's support together to